So after 8 hours, you bring out your fermented yogurt. Yes, after 8 hours, you bring out your fermented yogurt. When your yogurt is well fermented, the texture is going to feel as if starchy, like it will be a little bit starchy, somehow solidified, a little bit solid. Yes, so as you can see, I am taking off the lid of the basin and then the clean foil. Yes, and look at the texture. Yeah, that's the texture. It shows that your yogurt has fermented accurately or adequately, and this is how it should feel like after the 8 hours. Yes, just as you can see, it looks cakey, as if it's a cake. Yes, then you stir it with your whisk. You stir it thoroughly with your whisk. So you can see me stirring it thoroughly with the whisk to make it form that Greek yogurt texture. You stir it for like 3, 4, 5 minutes. Yes, you start slowly, then you increase the intensity of the stirring. You increase it. As you can see, I've increased the intensity of the stirring. So currently you can see it has turned into a thick formed yogurt. Yes, a thick formed yogurt, just as you can see, very thick. So this is how your yogurt should feel like if you followed my video accurately. So I'm going to divide my yogurt into 3 because I want to do 3 main flavors. Yes, I want to do 3 flavors. So I add my sugar. I add my sugar. Then I stir the sugar. I stir the sugar, mixing it with the yogurt nicely. Then I add condensed milk. So you also have to get your condensed milk, as I said earlier. You get your condensed milk. After the sugar, you add the condensed milk. So yes, with this I'm making the vanilla flavor, vanilla, right? So here I've added my essence, right? Yes, I've added the essence, and the name of the essence is vanilla flavor, right? The essence of it. Then I added another flavor, right, called the exotic flavor. So because I'm making the vanilla flavor, I added the vanilla essence, then the exotic flavor. There are 2 flavors. Yes, I added 2 flavors. Then after that, I stirred, and I'm about to fill the bottles with it. Very simple process. Very simple. So you can see my vanilla flavored yogurt is ready, and I'm filling the cup with it. Very simple, as you can see. So as I said, I divided the yogurt into 3. So I'm going to do the vanilla flavor, banana flavor, and then what's it? Yes, and the strawberry flavor. So what you see now is the banana flavor. So I've added sugar, then the banana textured color. So you could see the color of my yogurt is turning into the banana-like color. Yes. So I've mixed the color with the sugar. Then I'll add the banana flavor or the essence, banana essence flavor. Then after that, I'll add the exotic flavor, which is a constant flavor, always added to the kind of flavor that you are trying to make. So the exotic flavor must be constant in all the flavors that you are going to do. It must be a constant flavor in all the flavors you are going to do. The only thing you are going to add to it is the type of flavor that you want to add to it, the type of flavor you would like to add. Either vanilla flavor, then you add it to the exotic flavor. Banana flavor, then you add it to the exotic flavor. Then the strawberry flavor, you add that one too to the exotic flavor. So you can see me stirring the flavor in the mix of the yogurt. Sure, it's neatly done. Then I added the condensed milk finally to give it that sweet taste. Yes, because I don't like much sugar, I make sure that my condensed milk is added adequately. Then after that, I served them in the bottle. Now this is the last flavor that I'm doing, which is the strawberry flavor. The strawberry flavor. I've added my strawberry color. Yes. And I've added my condensed milk and the sugar as well. I've added my condensed milk adequately and the sugar. Now, as I'm about to stir, you are going to notice it. Then I'm adding my essence or my flavors. That is the exotic flavor. I've added the exotic flavor, and I'm adding the strawberry flavor. You see it, strawberry. Yes, it looks wine. It looks deep wine. So I've added that one. So now let's see. Exactly, you could see that the texture of my yogurt is turning into a strawberry color. Like, yes, I'm done with that one too, and I'm filling the bottles as well. For the sake of those who prefer it to be in Chi, I'm going to do a Chi version of the video and post it here as well, so that you will get the understanding very well in Chi. Exactly. So you could see me filling the bottles. Yes, and it's so sweet. In fact, I'm proud of how things are going. Sure, if you follow these processes, in fact, you are going to do your yogurt very easy, just as I did mine. So after 8 hours, I brought it out and I added all the ingredients that I needed to be added to the yogurt to make it as sweet as we expect it to taste. This is the final process. You can see that I've served the bottles and my clients are really enjoying it. Yes, you can see them. Everybody is enjoying the Muche Delight yogurt. It's so amazing. Students, lecturers, in fact, everybody in the university is enjoying my yogurt. Yes, these are lecturers. You see, my lecturer is enjoying the yogurt. Yes, every student likes the yogurt. Everybody likes my yogurt. You can see my ladies.